ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Anybody who had a surrendered devotee can definitely cause their burden on his feet so that he is very much capable of carrying out that burden and release you from that burden. There are so many experiences like that, so that people can feel that once by a name Mr. Ramesh Iyer, who is also doing puja to Swami a period of more than 7 years, who called me that my family is deported from me for more than 3 years, Swami, because of the reason that I am a person who is doing puja. Perhaps my family and the people like me to do a better government job, which I was not capable of. And more than that, he was more interested in doing only in pujas to Swami. Being a Brahmin, he was liking that very much. So Swami accepted his prayers, and but for his surprise, and he was not getting any release. But it is also evident that Swami, for many people, he will not talk to them differently or directly or solve the problem. But you have to believe that he is taking your burden, and he is always looking for the chance to release you from that burden. Somehow it so happened that he looked out for my phone number, he contacted me, and then I asked Swami for what can be, how can be relieved from his agony of his family deported from him. So I prayed Swami, and he immediately put in my mind that ask him to go to Srirangam to have a darshan, Nirmali darshan of Swami, and his problems will be solved. So when I told him, then he said, Swami, we are also praying Baba, who is also a form of Sriman Narayan, and what is the need of going there? Then I explained him. So it is how the Swami explained. It's all depending on how your karma will be solved. So you have to accept it. To my surprise also, he went by walking only at a distance of 60 to 70 kilometers from his residence to reach Trichy and have a darshan, Nirmali darshan of Srirangam Narayan. So it so happened within 3 days' time, his family with his children have returned to join them, and his family become a beautiful, happy garden, as he has promised that he will always relieve the burden immediately once they listen to him and once they surrender to him purely, so that he will pour his grace towards you and you can realize at any immediate possible time.
ॐ श्री